you, Brando G. Murin. Is it finally time for Goes Vinted? War? Okay, I'm gonna press all my buttons on my mixer and see what happens. That's me. That's me speaking to 𝙂𝙤𝙤𝙖𝙡. I'm gonna put a cough drop in my mouth, everyone. I'm gonna eat one right now. Cough drop. Cough time. Everyone. If you want to feel connected with Gigi Murin from Hololive Justice, what you should do is you should buy the Ricola original, the herb cough drops that are kind of shaped like a rectangle. And every time I eat a cough drop, you guys should eat a cough drop too. Ah. That's me eating a cough drop. Hashtag sponsored. They should give me a lifetime supply of cough drops. I eat them every time I'm sick. I can't have cough drops next to me when I'm not sick. Like, last time, I just kept the cough drop bag on my desk, but I would keep snacking on the cough drops. And then I would eat all the cough drops. And then I don't have any cough drops when I'm sick. They're just so yummy. They taste so good. Yeah, cough drops are like candy. I love cough drop.